Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, it's me Ruchi. So with the title and with the thumbnail, you guys will be knowing कि ये video क्या होने वाला है. I'm quite excited to share about this because like I used to get a lot of questions from my friends and whosoever see me like what you have done to your hair, it's so smooth, how you maintain it and stuff like that. So I thought why not to share my journey or my experience doing this. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, people do ask me a lot of questions, so I'm here helping you guys out. So I will be bifurcating something into points which will be very easy for you guys to think before getting it done, and I will be sharing my experience while doing it. First of all, if you're getting it done, you should know your hair strength and you should study and make yourself educate about this topic. Like, you should not feel cheated when you're going and getting it done, and you should know what suits your hair best. So there are so many things you can do. There is Kera Smooth Hair, there is a smoothing, there is one more thing which I don't remember. What is keratin? So yeah, keratin is something which helps your hair to gain that nourishment and everything. It will look very good, but it's like it won't, if you have a straight or wavy hair, it will remain the same, the texture won't change, but it will get all the nutrition and all the things which your hair is lacking back. So if you're going to any salon, you just need to think and get your hair checked before doing it. The stylist or the person who getting it done for you will check your hair. So for the first time when I did it, I went to that guy. I will be mentioning this person's number and his parlor details below. There are two branches, one is in Bhilai and one is in Raipur. So he's the best to do with your hair. He will check your hair and recommend you to do what you want. So for the first time he checked my hair was good enough to go with smoothing, and I didn't have to take a keratin for that. So I went with it, and I'm pretty much happy about it. I did for the first time when I was 19 years old, 2016. So that was the first time I did, and I was quite happy with it. But the second time went wrong. I did with somebody else because I couldn't go and take appointment with him to do it. So मेरी गलती, मैंने किसी और के साथ किया and it didn't work out so good. And the other thing which I learned is कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करो, मे बी L'Oreal, Matrix or Vela, the person who is doing it should be a professional, and he should know how to look your hair gorgeous and good. So you can see my hair, I just get it done yesterday, and I thought why not to sit and film for you. After 2 days I will be going for a hair wash. So second thing, I did it yesterday, so I need to take care of my hair for 2 days straight. So I won't be washing my hair, and my first wash will be done by them on Tuesday. I did it on Saturday. So yeah, they will be doing it, and you can't put a rubber band, you can't put a clutch, you can't put a clip and all to your hair which is very tight for like 1 month, or at least for 15 days after your hair wash, because your hair need to be tamed like that, I should say. And even before the first wash, don't put your hair back to your ear or something, and there will be a bend in that. And even if you put a tight rubber band after wash, there will be a bend. You can use anything which is very loose and make it breathe. Then the third thing will be when you are getting this done, in normal basis also, just use a satin pillow, or don't use the cotton, because it will be making your hair, your scalp much more dry when you wake up. And try to use a wide comb, because smoothing करने के बाद you won't get that roughness or frizz in your hair. So you don't need to use that thin comb. You can use a wide comb, wide tooth comb, and it will be good for your hair and for your hair fall. And जो लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं hair fall होता है कि नहीं, so I have a hereditary issue. Like मुझे बचपन से, like when I was 6 months old, from that time I'm having a hair fall issue. So it was quite normal for it. But मैंने ये करवाने के बाद बहुत hair fall में कम देखा है, because मेरे जब बाल बढ़ते हैं, after getting this done for few months my hair will be like this, but उसके बाद मेरी growth शुरू होती है. So I see a change in the hair fall, because मेरे वो बाल उतने अच्छे नहीं रहते हैं. It's a frizzy hair, frizzy baby hair, sorry. So उस वजह से हो जाता है. And if you have a super super duper curly hair, you should consult stylist or your person who is going to do, because पहले देख लो, because I am saying a lot of because, sorry, that's because again क्योंकि तुम्हारे बाल बढ़ेंगे, सो योर हेयर वोंट बी लाइक दिस. इट्स अ परमानेंट सोल्यूशन टू योर हेयर, बट नीचे के बाल वैसे ही रहेंगे, बट ऊपर से जो ग्रोथ हो रहा है वो तुम्हारे रियल हेयर होंगे जो तुम्हें भगवान ने दिया है. सो उसके लिए यू हैव टू कंसल्ट, बिकॉज बहुत लोग इतने बढ़ने के बाद दे कीप ऑन डूइंग टचअप्स, एंड आई डोंट प्रेफर दैट. आई 2 साल के गैप के बाद मैं करवाती रहती हूँ. फर्स्ट आई डिड इट व्हेन आई वाज 19 years old, then 21, then 23. So yeah, I take a proper good time. It's up to you, because I want my hair to grow and feel the same. But a stylist will say you can do a touch up and you can come and do it. So I would prefer doing that. I take a time for my hair because I'm a dancer and I use a lot of clip pins and all, which break my hair, which don't give it. And to take proper care of your hair, do ask them the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask and the serum which you have to use for months. ये करवाने के बाद वो आपको recommend करेंगे, वही आपको use करना है. And then try to take a hair spa 3 to 4 months के बीच में, या twice या once. That will also help your hair to sustain like this for a longer period. And ऑयलिंग आप कुछ महीने में, 1 महीने तक आपको ऑयलिंग नहीं करने से भी चलेगा, बट देन यू हैव टू टेक एटलीस्ट once in a week ऑयलिंग, एंड एटलीस्ट twice a week hair wash, and that's about it. This is all what I can share about doing it done. And do read about it, do know your hair type, because smoothing is something which makes your hair look very smooth and straight, and keratin is something, the structure will be same. If you have a wavy hair, you will be feeling a straight hair for some days or maybe for few days और a month or so. then उसके बाद आपका hair बहुत ज़्यादा shiny, बहुत अच्छा feel करेगा, but the texture will be the same. So consult anybody before doing it, read a lot, and think a lot before getting it done, because it's an investment, and treat your hair like a baby. So this is my journey doing it, and I did this for the 3rd time. So I'm quite happy with it, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I know it's a chit chat video, but still you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment down below. And yeah, I want to mention one more thing. For the first time when I did this, it took me 6 hours, because मेरे बाल उस वक्त बहुत frizzy थे and long थे, इतने ही लंबे थे. So it took so much of time, but the second time was very easy. That lady didn't do it well, but the 3rd time also it took around me 4.5 hours. So yeah, because they will be doing it from my root, and the best part is they won't apply any of the products to your scalp, which inches छोड़ के ही वो आपके बाल से वो product लगाना शुरू करते हैं. So there is no damage, and even the steam they would be taking to your hair, that the straightening and all, that heat also they will be keeping it a little bit away from your scalp. So there is no such bad things applied to your scalp like तुम जिसके लिए डर रहे हो. So if you have any further queries, you can comment down below. I will love to mention that, and I will love to share that.
Tómame la mano que tú eres cosa buena. Esta noche quiero bailar sobre la arena. No sé una ajena, no sé nada más. Ven pa' acá. Y ahora, tómame la mano que tú eres cosa buena. Esta noche quiero bailar sobre la arena. No sé.
So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.